Hello, I'm Dane. Welcome to another episode of Dax Jutsu. In today's episode, we will scraping IMDb top 250 movies. So, from the webpage itself straight to Power BI using Power Query. So, let's go. Open natin yung website, copy the URL. So, let's copy the URL and go to Power BI. So, get data, web, and then, where is that? Let's paste this. Okay. And this will take some time. We're waiting. And here we go. And let's look at the preview. Tingnan natin ang mga table, kung anong laman nila. So, see. Okay, so we need table 1. Let's transform that in query editor. Okay. Rename tayo. Movie or title. Okay, title na lang. And rating. Amount of votes. Year. Duration. And what is this rate? Let's go back to that, and rate is this. We don't need that. We'll remove that later. Mark as watch. We don't need that as well. And this is content rating. Change the query name to top to 50. Ayan. And we will remove the columns we don't need. So, itong duration natin, they are in hours and minutes. So, medyo mahirap siyang basahin pag ganito. So, we'll be using AI to convert this duration into minutes. Copy to clipboard. Where's that? Top 250 chat GPT. Convert this to minutes in Power Query. Let's see if this is working fine. Add column, custom column, and duration. So, duration, minutes. Text before. Okay, so this is okay. So now this is the problem with AI sometimes. It hallucinates a lot. So let's go back with that. Hmm, Let's see if this is correct. Okay, so Refresh this preview. And meron tayong error kasi wala siyang hour. Okay, so this is an error. The title is only 45 minutes. And try otherwise minutes. Let's see if this one works. Let's go back to that one as 45 minutes. Mm, 3 hours. Let me find that 45 minutes. There's an error. Okay, so ayan. Nasaan na ba siya? Balik tayo kay ChatGPT. Some duration you had minutes only. For example, 45 minutes. And go back to that 45 minutes. Okay, so got this right. And let's change the data type to whole number. And 64 data type. So we are missing some data. So we have pictures and we also don't have the movie ID. So what is a movie ID? I'm talking about this text string here. So let's go back to Power Query and let's get our movie ID first. This one will take some time. Okay. And let's add another column and let's go back to that. So it's TT01161. TT01161. Let's see. Let's check on CHTTP to CHTTP 1. Oh. Mm, yeah. The second one is TT0068646. I So I underscore one. So we have I underscore. Now let's wait if this logic works. And this will take some time. Okay, so here we go. Yeah, that works. Let's change this to movie ID. Okay, let's change the type to text. No, we don't need to do that. Let's just extract just the movie ID. So, ang gagawin natin, text between delimiters, insert a step, and delimiter is title, and then so we now have our movie ID. Let's save this because this might crash. Mm, okay, so I'll save this later. Okay, so let's add another column. And this time we'll be adding the images. So we'll have to inspect this a bit. Go back, tap 250, inspect. And we'll be looking for the URL. Mm, Is this the URL? Let's see. This is the, can I copy? That's a lot. Copy image. Okay, here we go. Okay, this is the thumbnail. So I'll be opening a notepad. So this is what we will be trying to find. Let's look at the second one. Inspect. Yes, here we go. So we need at least two to find a pattern. Let's go back to Query Editor and add a new one. Call this thumbnail. Well, that took some time. When you scrape a web page with Power Query, patience is going to be a virtue. Let's see. So MV5 BM. Well, move that to another monitor. So MV5 BM DAY So MV5BMDAY and FHY. Okay, this is the URL. And another wait time. Really, patience is a virtue. And that took some time again. So to the next image URL, which is MV5 BN GEW YJGW. This is it. And let's see if this one works. And that took another time again, but what we did works. So, okay. Thumbnail, change type to text. Yes. And we want to get just the rank. So add columns, extract before delimiter. And our delimiter is a dot. Change that to rank. And change that to whole number. In this one, we want just the title. So extract after delimiter. So not add column, but transform. Extract after delimiter. And our delimiter is a period and a space. So ayan, title. And then let's rearrange our columns. And load this to our model. It's loaded. So let's change our thumbnail to image URL. And we don't want our numbers, rank, and year to be summarized. So let's go to year, rank, and advanced, summarize, none. So we have our rank, title, our thumbnail, our rating. Let's not summarize ratings. The year of release, maybe after a title. Duration in minutes. Let's not summarize that as well. Don't summarize. And then we have vote, content rating. So let's change this movie ID to change movie ID to the URL. So I'll copy this and I'll create a URL of this one. Movie URL equals this and selected value movie ID. And yes, yes. Mhm. And then we'll be conditionally formatting our title using our URL. The URL. Okay. And when we open, when we click this, it should open the movie URL. Mhm. This takes, here we go. Okay. So this is, and in the next episode, we'll be moving from the IMB top 250 webpage to the other pages. So we will try to get the actors, the directors, etc. Well, that's it from me. Thank you for staying with me. Salamat and have a good one. Bye bye.